Hi, good morning. Welcome to my math class. My name is Miss Grisel from Sunshine State Academy. Today during the math class, we are going to work with the early graphing activity. Look like a little bit complicated, but no, even our young children can enjoy creating hands-on graph. Basically, graph is a visual representation of data. So what are we going to need for this activity? A poster board, like you can draw 3 columns with a number from 1 to 5. Items like that one, I am using transportation items because we are talking about transportation, but you can use different items that you are going to find at home. My index card, I drew the travel on those items for the land, sky, and the water. So we can leave our little kids classify our transportation based on the travel on each one of them. So let's do it. Give the items and just enjoy with your kids. Let me see, right here we have, what is that? A fire truck. What do you think? What the fire truck travel on? Land. Wow, wonderful. So we are going to put it right here. Is our first one on the column. Let's take another one. What is that? Great, the airplane. So our airplane, what do you think? What is travel on? In the air? Wonderful. So let's see air. Right here we have our index with the air. Right here. Good job. Let's try. Let's continue. What about this one? The school bus. What do you think? Good job, on the land. So let's put it in the column. That means the transportation that go on the land. Let's try, it's still working. What about that? A boat. What do you think? I can hear you. Air. Excellent job. So let's put it right here in there. Are you sure? No, water. Very good. So right here is in the water. So the last one. Help me, what do you think about that? Very good. So right here on the land. So right now, what are we going to do? We are going to count how many cars do we have in each column. Let's start with the land. Let's count. Are you ready with me? 1, 2, and 3. Great. We have 3 cars that travel on land. Let's see in there how many we have. 1. Great. Let's try with the water. How many we have? 1. So in that case, we can enjoy learning about amounts. So what do you think? What is more? What is less? Which one have more? Very good. 3. 1, 2, and 3. In this case, our transportation that travel on the land have 3 items, so more than in the air and in the water. So thank you to be with me. That is the end of our math class. Bye bye. I see you soon.